Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Primes, MrRVADelivered.com. I'm not going to give you the rest of the intro right now because I got something very, very important to talk to you guys about. Now, recently I purchased a software, and the name of that software is Click Agency AI. Now, it's an awesome software that'll allow you to take care of just about everything that you need when it comes to your affiliate marketing business, your online marketing business, whatever it is that you want to do, right? But I found a big challenge with it, and I thought I was crazy, but apparently a lot of other people are having the same issues that I had. Luckily, I was able to figure it out, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to figure it out too. So, starting off, what I want to say is the big issue that I found was that I actually could not find the software itself. I didn't know where the software was at, and I thought maybe it was just me, and I even sent the email because I got so frustrated after a while of trying to figure it out, and I said something is wrong. But when I figured it out, I actually started to think to myself that maybe if I would have just took a little more time, paid attention, I would have figured it out sooner and wouldn't have had to, go through all that, right? So, starting out, let's get to it. So, when you sign up, right, of course, you're going to get your welcome email with congratulations on your purchase of Click Agency AI. Now, you're going to click your members area link that comes in there, right? Now, when that comes up, most of us, I believe, we should be able to get to this page here. Now, this is where things get a little, kind of complicated or confusing. So, of course, most of us, we might go to watching the video, watch the demo video. Now, when I watched the video, it started out showing this page right here. And then out of nowhere, it showed the tools itself that you were going to be using. And so I was scrolling on the page and I didn't see anything else but to sign up for the webinar. And I'm like, okay. So obviously we started off and clicked on here on agency, right? So of course I noticed the button here to create new agency. So when you click on that button there, right, it's going to take you to, let me just click on our test one right here. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to fill in the details, and then you're going to scroll down and click Update Agency. Now, when you click that, it'll give you a notification at the top that says Agency updated successfully, so you know that that's done. Now, after this, you might just be looking and thinking, okay, let's go to my clients, and more than likely, of course, since you're just starting out, this is going to be empty right here. There's going to be nothing here. So this page right here is going to be blank. So you can be like, okay, so what's next? Let me go back to my dashboard. Maybe I missed something. So you're looking here, right? Now, this is where the answer is. Now, if I would have been paying attention, and maybe you had this same issue, maybe if you would have been paying attention, you would have noticed something here. Now, instead of focusing on being on the dashboard and seeing agency and seeing clients, instead of clicking on clients, which when you start out, this is going to be empty and there's going to be nothing there, right? So your clients, you'll see that right there, and everything else will be blank. What you want to actually do is go back into your agency, go back to your test, right? Click on the edit, and now you want to click on all clients section. Now, maybe the confusion to many of us may be when you see you might have noticed the all clients section in the beginning when you first clicked on there, but you probably figured to yourself, you don't have any clients, so why would you access all clients? Maybe that's might be the thinking, but this right here is the actual answer. Now it actually has the option to create a new client. And most of us might have thought that if we clicked on client itself, it might have been an option in there to actually create new client. But the option is actually in agency and in all clients, right? So when you get there, you click on create new client. And since I've already done that, let me just go to the edit option. And this is the page that's going to pop up. You're going to be able to connect the social media your autoresponders and things like that, right? So this right here is where the actual software is. This is where you're able to use the actual ClickAgency AI software. This is what took me so long to find. I actually took, I looked at it for a while, and when I couldn't figure it out, I figured I'd come back the next day just to check it out. I came back the next day, and I even sent the email, and I was doing some other stuff. So I wasn't really focused on trying to get it solved, because I knew it was going to be a webinar coming up soon. So I said I'm gonna hop on the webinar and then just learn from there. Now, another big part of the issue was, once when you get all of your bonuses in your JVZoo section, there's a resource page and it shows a list of links. And I think the confusion with that is, once when you see the list of links, it takes you to all these different links, and I got confused as to what are all these downloads. But maybe I'll make a video about that, talking about that, and we'll figure that out together. But all in all, this right here is how you actually get to the tools itself. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Have a great rest of your day.